Hey everyone, for some reason my webcam is refusing to record in color, so I'm using my DSLR instead. So this is the CDX. It's actually much easier to take the top and bottom apart than I thought. Basically you just pull up with a prying tool and you pull up off of these pins. So all I'm going to be working on tonight is recapping this board. Actually, there's only a few caps on this board. This is the power board. I desoldered temporarily from the back here. Just a bunch of big 470 microfarad caps, and then I'll be moving on. Once I replace these caps, I'll pull up the other board. I'll do a video on that one with the other board. So Nomad is still fighting me. I'm having a problem with the the controller 1 mod. I completely rewired it. I have a official Sega controller with still no luck, so I just emailed the gentleman who did the original mod and asking him what am I doing wrong here. So hopefully get something back from him so I can figure that out, so I can finish that off. And then this will be recapped and the other board will be recapped, and then I'll go into replacing the laser pickup. And that's actually not that complicated a procedure apparently. There's a good video I've linked in the last one that has detailed how to change that, but for now I'll get working on this. I didn't realize this had two 68,000 processors, which is kind of interesting. I think it's because it's a 32X built in here. They had to stick a second processor in there. So I don't know if I'm going to bore everyone with replacing caps, so there'll be a short video tonight. Unfortunately, I just have had no time to work on any of these projects, and it's probably I'm either going to take a break or stop doing it entirely soon, because I just don't have the time anymore, because I just don't. I physically don't have the time anymore to work on these projects. And I wish I did, but I really don't. And everything I do has been taking weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and not getting done. So this might be one of the last what's on my workbenches, so sorry about that. And let me get to recapping this.